also redesigned one of our most popular watch bands, the Sport Loop, to use more recycled material. It is now made with 82% recycled yarn while maintaining the softness and comfort you love. Electricity is the biggest source of carbon emissions. Since 2015, we've been investing in renewable energy like this solar installation in Central California, while helping our suppliers do the same. And we're excited to announce that starting this year, all Apple Watch manufacturing is powered by 100% clean electricity. Charging is another source of emissions. While it's a small amount per person across millions of watch wearers, it adds up. So we decided to do something about it. For Series 9, Apple will match 100% of your expected electricity use by investing in renewable energy projects around the world. Finally, we looked at how Apple Watch gets from the factory to you. To cut emissions from transportation, we started by redesigning Series 9 packaging to be 100% fiber-based and more compact. It has a new, smaller shape that lets us ship up to 25% more watches per trip. And more of those trips will be made with low-carbon shipping modes, like ocean freight, which emits just 1/20th of shipping by air. Our efforts to reduce emissions from materials, electricity, and transportation resulted in a whopping 78% decrease in the carbon footprint. The small amount of emissions that remain are offset by high-quality credits from projects like forests and wetlands that actively remove carbon from the atmosphere. This last step brings the net carbon footprint of Apple Watch Series 9 down to 0. Making it our first ever carbon neutral product. Any combination of aluminum Series 9 and new Sport Loop is carbon neutral and has been certified by an independent third party. To help you recognize it, you'll see this new logo on the box. We are so excited about this achievement, and it's how we plan to get all Apple products to carbon neutral, by innovating across design, engineering, and operations to steeply reduce emissions before applying high-quality carbon credits. While Apple 2030 is the destination, the journey is important too. So we looked for additional opportunities to make change. Leather is a popular material for accessories, but it has a significant carbon footprint, especially at Apple's scale. To reduce our impact, we will no longer use leather in any new Apple product, including watch bands. And that starts today. Now, back to Jeff to tell you more.
We've developed a beautiful, luxurious, and durable new textile that we're calling Fine Woven. It's made of 68% post-consumer recycled content, which has a significantly lower carbon footprint than leather. Fine Woven gives the new magnetic link a subtle luster and suede-like feel, and it looks great on the modern buckle, too. Both bands will be available in new colors and offer a sophisticated look for any special occasion. We also explored more environmentally friendly materials with our partners. This year, we collaborated with Hermes on 4 new styles that draw on their long history in textiles. There are 2 elegant woven bands, our first ever knitted band, and another in sporty molded rubber, and all come in a range of rich colors. Hermes Radial, a modern take on their classic watch face, complements these innovative new styles. We also worked with Nike to design new bands that repurpose excess materials and waste, reducing the use of virgin material. The new Nike Sport Band includes colorful flakes of recycled material. They create a randomized pattern that makes each band unique. For the Nike Sport Loop, we repurposed yarn from previous seasons to make the same soft material with a fun new space dye look. Both bands come in a range of dynamic colors, and there's a